We're taking a look inside Bookroo subscription box. So Bookroo has 3 different options for subscribers. You can choose for babies and toddlers, you can choose 3 board books to be delivered a month. For ages 2 to 6 or so, you can choose the picture book option, which gives you 2 books a month. Or for ages 7 and up, for chapter books, you can get 2 a month. So let's take a peek inside our box that we got, which is the picture book option. So inside the box comes our 2 books, which the kids are going to love to unwrap. So let's take a look and see which picture books we got. So the first one we got is called Hop Along Boo. I have not heard of this one. So Bookroo kind of prides itself on finding the hidden gems, and look how pretty that one is. So it says it's a perfect bedtime for Belle and her bunny Boo. Are you beginning to feel sleepy too? Come let Belle take your hand and lead you through her dreamy land. Let's see what the other one is. So they have month-to-month subscriptions. They also have 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month options. And it's great because then the kids can expect new books every month that they get to unwrap. So the second book we got, oh wow, look how pretty that is. Little Home Bird. Let's take a peek inside at how pretty the illustrations. Nice. Pretty cool. This one is Little Bird loves everything about his home. He's surrounded by his favorite branch, his favorite food, his favorite view, and his favorite music. Why on earth would he want to change anything? Even when his brother tells him that they must. Discover how Little Bird ends up finding happiness in his new home from home in this beautifully illustrated picture book. Perfect for all children who love home, however many they may have. So those are the 2 books that we got in our picture book option of Bookroo. Hope that gives you a sneak peek inside this book subscription box.